people worry about, using AI. You have to replace a human, right, with AI. I see the other way around. For
Yeah.
us, it's AI there to help us make better human connections during the event, right? That's what is about. So 2 years ago, Cisco NAP launched a set of new features based on AI. The first one we did where we doing the attendee matchmaking using the real-time AI data. So basically, we don't spy on people. We don't go on the internet and search for, where Stephen been to and so on and so forth. But what we do is we're using real-time data of how Stephen interact with the events. And then based on that information, we make recommendation to connect Stephen to like-minded people. Or we can even surprise Stephen if you like, if he like to introduce him to somebody that 100% opposite from him, right? Um,
Mm-hmm.
the other thing that we also do is when you have a big event, there's a lot of content. There's a lot of materials, a lot of PDF, there's a lot of booklets, there's a lot of video session that you need to go to. We launched a feature called content matchmaking, where based on attendee behaviors and interests, we introduce that attendee to session that they should go to, PDF they should read, document they should go over, video they should watch, so on and so forth. So
Yeah.
those two products that we launched in 2021, almost 2 years now, is it not meant to replace human. It meant to connect human together, you know, and it bring more value.